Wow. This is interesting. It's like a old abandoned warehouse. Yeah, it's like locked from inside here. Yeah, nothing much. Some bricks there. Some wooden contraptions here. Yeah. Oh, there should be an entrance to go up somewhere. Yeah. Oh yeah, here it is. Well. So here's another floor. Yeah. Oh, there's nothing here. Yeah. There's only bricks here. Yeah. Nothing. Oh, there's like another there. Okay, let's go up. Oh, that's the final floor, I think. Huh. Oh, just a huge empty hall. So, whoa, there's a hole in the roof. It's just burned down, I think. Oh yeah. And here's... Oh, there's graffiti here. Yeah, there's our bikes there. Yeah, some graffitis here. 60. Shroom. And then alien. Oh, yeah. Stoner graffiti. Yeah. So yeah, that's all of this weird building. Yeah, let's go down.